Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to design the claw part here on our hydraulic arm. So let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File and let's start a new design. Let's go ahead and start a 2D sketch here on our XY plane. Alright, I'm going to drag a square here out with the following dimensions. It's going to be 2 inches. Hit the tab button by 0.25 inches. Okay, and that, I don't know why that says 5, but that should be 2 inches. Okay, and then we're going to drag out another square from this top corner down, and we want that to be, this distance here to be 1.25 inches. Hit the tab button, and we want this distance here to be 0.25 inches. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and trim this middle line here because we don't need it. And then we're going to add a dimension from here to here. We want that to be 0.5. And now we're going to come on up to this top corner here and we're going to add a fillet. So click right there, type in 0.5, hit enter. Okay, and if that shows up, just go ahead and trim that guy. All right, so that's looking good. Now let's go ahead and make a hole here for our M3 bolt. So right in this area, I'm just going to drag out a circle here with a diameter of 0.11 inches. And now let's specify where we want this circle here with some location dimensions. And we want this distance right here to be 0.625. And this distance from the edge to be 0.125. Okay. Now let's come back over to our line tool here, and I'm going to start from this corner and I'm going to drag out a line now, just kind of pretty long, something like this, and then I'm going to dimension this angle here to be 163 degrees. All right, and then I'm going to drag out another line, and I'm going to try to get it parallel. Okay, something like that. Hit escape, but we can make it parallel if we go here and here, and then we can dimension the distance here between them. Oop, looks like it's already there. So now let's dimension this distance. So from here to here, we want that distance to be 1.467. All right, and then we are going to go ahead now, draw a line that is perpendicular to this. Okay, so make sure you have a perpendicular line that's 90 degrees, and then we're going to come over here and find that midpoint right here and drag out a circle. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and trim some stuff up. Trim that guy, trim that guy, and that's why we're doing it. Let's go ahead and trim that guy. Okay, looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and add a few more dimensions. Let's go ahead and make this guy 1.5 like it already is. It should be at least. And then we're going to make this guy horizontal with this, so it's locked into position here. All right, and then let's go ahead and add some tangent constraints here. Where's tangent? There it is. That guy tangent to that guy. Okay, and now let's go ahead and create a hole here with a diameter of 0.11 inches, and then we're going to add one more hole and we are done right here in the center with the same diameter, 0.11 inches, but we got to dimension it here. So it is 0.125 inches, so we center it essentially, right? And then just to make sure, we'll make sure it's horizontal with that guy, and we're good. Okay, now our sketch is fully constrained. I'm going to hit escape. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch, and let's go ahead now and extrude it out a distance of 0.125 inches, or 1/8 of an inch. And as we've been doing for every part, let's change the appearance now. Okay, so go to plastic here, and then come on down to transparent, and we're going to make it acrylic red. Okay, and then hit close. And then when you're done, don't forget to save it. We'll just call it claw. And I'm going to change the location here really quick to video files and hit save. All right, so like I said, don't forget to save it. That'll do it for this part. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.